Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So you have to just open the Google Maps on the Android device or iOS. So you have to open the Google Maps, and so when it's load all over Google Map, so it is your current location. So you have to just go to the settings and there is offline maps. So you have to click to the select and download a map of this area of the current location which you have. So you will select it the area and you have to just once click on the download button. So you have to just download now over mobile data. So it will be downloading. So when you don't have internet connection or location, the offline maps will work. You can zoom it. It will be given the direction of this area which have you download for offline maps. It will be slow due to poor internet connection, but once it will be downloaded, you can use it without internet offline maps. Just a minute for the downloading. So it's completely downloaded. You can off your mobile data and your location and you will use Google Map. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.